You feeling alone? You feeling left out? Are you feeling alone in abroad? If you are feeling alone and you're living in abroad, maybe this video is for you. I'm here in Canada, far, far away from my homeland. All right, far, far away from my homeland, and I'm having a good time. I'm not feeling alone. I have millions of people who are exactly like me, who are trying to, you know, was trying to build their life from the scratch, from zero. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard for everybody. It's really hard to leave your country, first of all, and well, and move to the another country with completely different lifestyle, with completely different mindset, and with completely different cultural or traditional way of living. Yeah, it's hard. And for the first few years, you're not gonna have a friend, you're not gonna have the community, you're not gonna have those kind of people who gives you the feeling that you are in a home. You are not in a foreign country. Yeah, it's hard, but it's not impossible. It's not impossible. You can do it. Our ancestor did it, means you can do it too. Our ancestor moved one place to another in seek of opportunities and seek of life, for a better life. And we are doing the same right now. We move one place to another just to make our life, build our life as we want. So don't feel alone, don't feel left out, don't feel like you're far, far away from your home. This is also your home. This whole world is your home. This whole earth is your home, and whole universe is your home. Yeah, you don't have your parents over here, maybe you don't have your own friends, best friends or something like that, but everybody have a different goal. Everybody have to go different, everybody have to take a different way to reach their goal. So you are just taking a different way, that's it. All of us have the same goal: peaceful life, better life, stability, and family, and good society, maybe good country to live in. All right, good place to live in. We all have a same goal in our life, but we have to take a different path, and you are taking a different path. That's it. You are just taking a different path to build your life, to build your career, whatever. But yeah, you are just taking a different path, and you have to go through it. You have to face ups and downs. You have to face this loneliness. You have to face all of these things to be strong, and to be stronger and stronger and stronger day by day. You need to face these things to be a strong human being. And think wisely, okay? Think wisely. We all are human over here, try to survive. Not just survive in a peaceful way. So you need to learn how to control your emotions first, okay? How to control your emotions first. Don't be a reactive person. First of all, most of the people who moved one place to another, they started to compare themselves with other people who are already here from so long. They are here from so long. Maybe they are already settled. They have like whatever you don't have, and you compare yourself with them, and you'll feel like, when I'm gonna get that thing, when I'm able to buy that thing, or when I'm able to be in that position. No, you are in a working process. You are in a process. It will take time. Obviously it took a time for them, so it will gonna take a time for you as well. Don't feel so sad. Don't compare yourself with the others, okay? You will lose your patience. So you need to be very patient. Yeah, you need to be very patient. One day you will achieve everything. First of all, try to learn something new. Try to build a skill within you. Try to master it, so that you will get whatever you need in your life. All right, whatever you need in your life. First of all, try to focus on those things which you don't know. Don't focus on those things which you already know. Focus on those things which you don't know. Focus on those things which you don't know yet, and try to learn it. Try to master it. Try to learn some new skills. Try to learn about new places, new people, new pattern of life, new way of life, so that it will inspire you to move on, which will inspire you to, to be a better person, to be a wise person. Okay, so try to learn new things. Don't waste your time to feel alone. Don't waste your time to feel like left out or you can't do it. Don't give up space in your head for negative thoughts. Okay, be positive. Yeah, this is a part of process. Like me, I'm in a part of process too. I'm growing day by day. All right, I'm growing day by day, learning day by day. I'm being so stronger day by day. So I'm being stronger day by day, and I'm learning new things, and I'm mastering these skills which I need to become what I want to be. All right, so don't feel left out. Okay, and we all are different animals over here. We are all different and unique creature with a different mentality, with a different perspective about life, and different way of life. We might have a same goal, like a stable future, like peaceful life or something like that, but we all have to take a different path. You have to take a different path, and you need to be very, very patient. Okay, you need to wait. You need to wait until you'll get it, and in that waiting time, you need to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself to worthy of that thing which you want to become. All right, you need to be worthy. If you are worthy, then that things will come upon you. You don't need to search those things. Okay, you don't need to search those things which you want. If you are capable, if you are worthy, those things will come up on you. You just need to open your eyes. Just keep open your eyes. Okay, keep open your doors, so that those things will come to you. Don't shut it down with the loneliness. Just shut it down with the impassioned things, or with your weaknesses. We all have weaknesses. Have weaknesses. Okay, and having a weaknesses doesn't mean that you are weak. Doesn't mean that you are weak. Identifying the weaknesses and turning that weaknesses into the strength is matters in life. Okay, don't focus on your weaknesses. Everybody of us have weaknesses. So we all have lots of weaknesses. Don't focus on that. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself, and try to explore the life. Try to explore the different aspects. It's so cold. I'm freezing. Try to try to feel different aspects of life, different pattern of life. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Don't be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid to take a new steps. Just take it right away, and don't feel alone. Be happy all the time. Happiness is not outside of you, it's inside you, it's within you always. So you don't need anyone to be happy in your life. Okay, you don't need anything. It's always within you. You just need to trigger it. You just need to feel happy. Just give a chance for your positive thoughts. Okay, just give a place in your mind only for positive thoughts. That's it. And you're gonna make it. I know you're gonna make it. Okay, you will gonna make it one day. You will be that person in which you want to be. See you guys in next video. All right, see you guys in the next video. See you.